Survival tactics in case of an unexpected attack of a paper airplane. Begin the video with, welcome to the world of unexpected paper airplane attacks. First, stay alert. Awareness is key. Upon seeing an incoming paper airplane, quickly assess its trajectory. Next, swiftly dodge or deflect the airplane with a swift move. Remember, a paper airplane is harmless. Don't panic or overreact. Lastly, pick it up. Inspect it. It could be a message. Congratulations! You've just survived a paper airplane attack. Stay prepared, stay safe, and keep smiling.